Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prevent users from removing extensions in Microsoft Edge. This is especially useful in shared computers or work environments where you want to enforce certain extensions and stop users from deleting them. Before we jump in, here is something important you should know. Microsoft Edge does not have a direct settings to simply disable the remove button. The only supported method is to force install the extension using policy, and once applied, users won't be able to uninstall it. This is actually how it is done in real IT and enterprise environments. Let's get started. First, press Windows key and R to open the Run box. Type regedit and press Enter. Click Yes if prompted. Now, let's navigate to this path right here. So, let's expand local machine, then expand software. Let's find policies. Right here, expand policies. And now expand Microsoft. It is already expanded. And if you don't see Edge, no problem. Just right click on Microsoft and new and key and name it Edge. Inside Edge folder, right click, new, key, and let's name it Extension Install Forcelist. Now click on Extension Install Forcelist. On the right side, right click, new, string value, and name it 1 and hit enter. If you want to add multiple extensions, create another string value and name it 2, 3, and so on. Let's open Edge. Go to Settings, Extensions, Manage Extensions. In this demonstration, I'm trying to prevent users from removing Grammarly extension. Turn on developer mode. Let's copy the ID for Grammarly. Now go back to registry editor and double click on string value. This is the format of the value we need to enter in this box. Before we do that, let's replace this ID with the ID we copied from the Grammarly. And now let's copy this entire value and paste it in this box and hit OK. Now restart Edge and let's go to extensions again. As you can see, the remove button is now disabled for the Grammarly extension. Now let me show you a really cool trick. I'm going to have the Microsoft Edge automatically install an extension and at the same time disable the remove button. Let's go to the Get Extension for Microsoft Edge. Let's make the policy automatically install this extension called TamberMonkey. Click on TamberMonkey. Now, to get the extension ID, let's take a look at the URL. This part of the URL is actually the extension ID. Let's copy that. Let's go back to registry editor. We will create another string value and name it 2. Double click on 2 and we need to copy and paste this value in this box right here. But before we copy and paste it, let's replace this extension ID with the ID of TamberMonkey. And now let's copy the entire value and paste it in this box and hit OK. For your convenience, I will add this value in the description so you don't have to type it. You can just copy and paste it. Now let's reopen Microsoft Edge. Go to settings again, extensions, manage extensions. As you can see, the policy automatically installed the Tamper Monkey extension. Also, it disabled the remove button. And that's it. Quick and simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more real-world IT troubleshooting tips. Let me know in the comments what would you like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.